So today we're going to work on our sphere project. We're going to start by finding some scrap illustration board and then finding something circular that we can trace all around with our pencil. After we're done tracing the circle, we draw a little sun in the middle between the two of them and draw some little arrows, which is going to point where the light will be coming from on our spheres. We're going to grab an O3 pen and write O3 under one sphere and grab an O1 and do the same under the other. So on the side, we're going to write leave white areas for highlights and do not outline. So this basically means that if you think about a sphere, the light is going to hit the sphere in a certain spot and we're going to leave that spot white, and I'm going to show better later what I mean. On the side here, I'm going to show you how not to dot. So if you make really random dot and are not precise about it, it is not going to look good. So that's kind of like how it looks if I was not paying attention to it. And you can see that there's little lines and it does not look pretty. So here I'm writing do not. And you can try this on the side of your own paper. So now we're going to grab our O1 pen and start dotting. So I usually start from the darkest area, as you can see, and then move towards the lighter area. So space your dots more as you go towards where the sun is, and just try to picture it and think about how it would look if the sun was actually shining on the sphere. When you get towards where there is more light, as you can see, just leave a white space. We're going to then grab our O3 pen and do the same process. So still think about where the light is coming from, where the darkest area will be, and where the lightest areas will be. Here is an example of what your final product should look like. So there will be a darkest area and the highlight area will be left white. Make sure that when you get started, you do not do an outline of the spheres with your dots. I just showed you a good example of spheres and this is a bad example. So the dots look messy and this person did not do an amazing job with shading. So try to be precise while doing this.